Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to see order history in EA. So today I'll be showing you how to see your order history in EA. So to see your order history in EA, first thing you need to do is open up your EA and click on the top right on your profile and go down and click on settings. Once you're here at your settings or my profile, click on manage. After clicking on manage, this will pop up. And once you're here, at my account, go down and you will see order history. And once you click on that, it will send a verification code on your email. And just you need to do is type it in. So right now, I'm just waiting for my verification code. Please send. There we go. My verification code. It's 783 688. Then submit. Once I've submit that, your order history will be now able to be displayed right here. As you see right now, I have no purchases in EA and I have no orders or I have not yet bought anything from EA. So yeah, that's why there's nothing here. It's empty. But if you do, you can put in when or when. I'll try all. Oh wait, I had a purchase history on Apex. So there you go. That's how you find your order history in EA. I hope you guys like it and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.